Hello everybody, and thanks for watching my FPV video for today. I decided to get a chair for the FPVs sit down. The rotation is not good. I don't know why, but the rotation was very slow, as you can see now. I like this field with these pines. I used to hang around here with my parents in the past sometimes, and it's a very nice place. And I decided to fly through the pines. Very relaxing place. This was in January. Look at the weather with sun. It was a bit cold, of course, but sun and no wind. So let's go through the pines. Let's go this direction. I don't want to go faster than this. This is a relaxing flight, not a stressful one. Here we go through the pines. Nice place. The problem here is we lose connection with the sky controller and Bebop quickly because of the interferences of the trees. But very nice. Sense of liberty. Here I am, there. A low flight. I like to do low flights too. Oh, this is a dead hand. Let's go to the left. There was some rain. There are water in there. In the other days or in the night. Where do I go? I go through here. Let's go. Okay, not colliding with the nothing. Here we go. Let's go back there towards the sun. Now let's go below these trees, lower than. There's a car there. It's not mine. I don't know who they are and where they are. If they are inside the car or out, I don't see anybody around. Let's go deeper. Oh, not colliding with the trees. Preferably. Car over there. Okay, let's go. Front. Another car passing by on the left in the road. Okay, I'm getting far away. Let's turn around. There's the car again. Nobody around. They must be on the car, inside the car. Let's see. I don't see nothing. I don't go further to the car. Let's get out of there. Let's turn back before I lose the signal. Here we go. It's a nice road to fly here. Very nice. All the way in front. What is that? Some people on the right. I'm too close to them. Oops, the tree. Damn, I don't want to be near them. There's a dog. He's running at the Bebop. Let's get out of here. They didn't catch the Bebop, fortunately. Oops, the tree. Ooh, let's go right. No. Okay, let's go in front. Starting to losing the signal. Getting weaker. Oh, let's go up. Let's go up, up, up. The signal is getting weak. At this point, I lose the signal. I don't know. Video loss. Where the Bebop is. If he returns, if he collided with a tree, I don't know nothing at all. And after 20 seconds or 30 seconds, he will climb to 20 meters high, of course, and returning home. But I don't know what is the height of the trees. If the trees are 20 meters high, Bebop will definitely collide with them. But fortunately, the trees are small, as you can see here. 20 meters high, and is returning safely without any trees in the trajectory. It's a pity we lose the connection. Now it's reestablished because there is nothing on his path interfering. It's a direct link, as you can see the car over there. At this point I don't know where I am, and I forget that in front of the Bebop is my car. He's returning to the point in a straight line, returning to home position. Let's go manually. I get up from the chair and I saw the Bebop, and I'm returning to the chair again. Nice view anyway. Very nice place. Very nice weather for the winter. And no winds, no rain, no nothing. Here we go. Let's land it. Battery is 42%. It's okay. And let's finish the flight with Auriga Bebop application for Android. Here I am. Thank you for watching. Subscribe my channel if you want. Goodbye. Done.